Welcome to Illustrator Pictures. In this part of Master Photoshop series, teaching the effect of color dripping from the text. Use the text tool to write the desired text. You can use Hobo SD font. Select the flattened image from the layer menu. Change the foreground color to the background color using the Ctrl-I shortcut key. From the filter menu, select Pixelate. Set the filter value. Rotate the image 90 degrees clockwise. From the filter menu, select Stylize. Select Wind. Repeat this filter several times using the shortcut keys Ctrl-Alt-F. Rotate the image 90 degrees counterclockwise. Apply the stamp filter from the filter gallery. Click on the text with the magic wand. Choose Similar from the Select menu. Make a duplicate layer of the selected part using the Ctrl-J shortcut keys. Fill background color and foreground color with desired color. Apply the base relief filter from the filter gallery. You can change the color using the Hue Saturation layer. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and leave a comment.
Subscribe for more tutorial.